Lester the fat cat. Lester was a cat not like other cats. He was very different. He was a fat cat. All of the other cats were thin and slim, but Lester was a fat, chubby cat. Most cats run fast. They are very swift. They can chase mice easily. But Lester was too fat. He moved slowly. He had a hard time chasing mice. Lester felt so sad. He wanted to move fast. He wanted to chase mice easily. The other cat saw that Lester was lonely. They wanted to help, so they thought of a plan. One day Lester saw a big box outside his door. It was a very large box. He opened it. Inside was a beautiful red bike. The bike had a small wheels, but it was very pretty. Lester rode the bike. Wow, this bike runs fast, he cheerfully said to himself. Lester loved to ride the bike every day. He could get around quickly and he could catch mice easily. Lester was very happy, but do you know what made him happier? After long days of biking, he became a thin cat and a very happy cat too.